In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a recurring event to Skool Calendar. To get started, log into your Skool community. Once you're inside, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Calendar tab. This is where you can view upcoming events, manage your schedule, and create new calendar entries for your community. When the calendar page opens, click the plus button or Add Event to begin creating a new event. From here, you'll enter the event details. Start by adding the title of your event. Make the title clear and easy to recognize so members immediately understand what the event is about. Next, choose the date, then set the start time and duration. Be careful here, especially if your community includes members from different regions, because timing accuracy is important for avoiding confusion. After that, select the correct time zone. This helps ensure your event appears at the right time for both you and your members. Then choose the event location. Depending on how you plan to host it, you can select a Skool call, Zoom, Google Meet, or even enter a physical location if the event will happen in person. You'll also have the option to add a description. This step is optional, but it's a good idea to include a short summary of what the event covers, who it's for, or anything attendees should prepare in advance. If you want, you can also upload a cover image. While this is optional too, it can make the event look more polished and help it stand out on the calendar. Once the basic event information is filled in, enable the recurring event option by checking the recurring event box. This is the setting that turns a one-time event into a repeating one. After checking it, choose how often the event should repeat. You can set it to repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or annually, depending on the type of event you're scheduling. If the recurrence settings allow it, select the specific day or days of the week the event should happen. This is especially useful for weekly events like coaching calls, office hours, or regular community meetups. Next, choose when the recurrence should end. You can leave it set to never ends if this is an ongoing event. Or, if it should stop at some point, you can choose a specific end date or set it to end after a certain number of occurrences. This gives you flexibility based on whether the event is permanent, seasonal, or part of a limited series. Once everything looks correct, save the event. Your recurring event will then be added to the Skool calendar, and your community members will be able to see the full schedule based on the recurrent settings you selected.